Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and Sadie stickers inserts. And for this week, I'm using a Sadie stickers June 2024 mystery kit. So this is from last year's mystery subscriptions. And yeah, I do really love it for like a September spread, maybe for the purples in it. So yeah, do stick around. I'll put down the base and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so let's get to the base or the rest of the base. So I'm using the script from the paper trail plans, and this window is actually my focal point and for creating everything. Well, it's a rainy season kit or rainy day kit. So I did as what I did with like Miss and Meow, where I put the clouds like the hot air balloons and the clouds were the ones from Miss and Meow, and this time I'm using the rain and the clouds to go among all the boxes. And I really liked how it turned out. It was such a, you just feel the rain when you look at this spread or this base spread because of all the raindrops, the foil, the puddles. So I really loved how it came out. There was not a lot of deco, and this is like from last year, so there must be less deco because this is an older format, but still it's just really nice, to figure out what to do with the least decorations, the least decor. So I did use some of those drops or those raindrops. Those are from the added silver accompanying foil of this kit, and then of course all the alcohol ink swatches and the florals and the remaining deco. So yeah, it turned out really pretty. I really liked how it was formed, and yeah, that's it for my base spread. All right, so for Monday, I used this pretty stamp with that box. And today I think I got some Happy Mail from a lot. So I got the Graceful Muse September kit, Sadie stickers, birthday, and like the birthday sale. And then, oh, I got some popcorn as well from a fundraiser that a neighbor of mine was doing. And then after that, did get I got another massage this time. And it was so much better than the last one I had. So that was a good redemption point. That massage table is from White Ear Stationery. And then after that, I bought some takeout from Sweet Greens, because my husband was wanting some salad, and then it was like very near the where I had my massage. So that's why I'm like, okay, fine, let's go for some takeout at Sweet Greens. And I also got some Jersey Mike's because someone else wanted a sandwich rather than salad. All right, so on Tuesday, I did get again. I got again Happy Mail from Graceful Muse. Okay. So I did get. Oh, you know why? Because I was missing. I think, yeah, the September came very late because I think it went, just got really delayed. So that's why again got another Graceful Muse papery for October. So maybe it is, I don't know. I don't know what this Graceful Muse October is, but that was my Happy Mail for that day. um anyways, let's see what else happens. Okay, so I was reading this time Catching Fire, and yeah, it was I was finishing Mockingjay because I was watching Catching Fire, which was on the next day. So yeah, I was finishing the Mockingjay book, which is the third part of the Hunger Games series, and well, it wasn't as good as the other two just because of the ending. I just didn't like how it ended, but anyway, it was still a very good read. Yeah, it's just it's really good series. Even if it's like a YA book, it's good to read even if you're like even older already. I did have a planning sesh where I was working on some summer reading journal. So I put together all 3 months together because I was away, and I didn't read a lot during the summer because I was away on vacation. So yeah, I just put it into one like journaling spread. And then on Wednesday, there I go. I was watching why was I watching Catching Fire? I was actually watching Mockingjay. So I put in the wrong TV or the wrong movie I was watching. So I was watching Mockingjay, which had parts 1 and 2. Yeah. So that was for Wednesday, not much, and I got some Happy Mail from Blissful Jayde Designs. And then on Thursday, okay, so Thursday my cousins were over for a conference. I think they already arrived like Monday, but it's only today, Thursday, that I was going to go see them because yeah, they had their schedules were better for me to go out with them. And so I did go pick them up, and we went to Seafood City because of course they wanted to eat some Filipino food. Yes, and I think, where did we eat? Oh, yeah, just in the like grilled food and rice, of course. And then after that, we did drive to Chicago downtown. Oh my God, the traffic was so terrible. I mean, yeah, it was just like never ending traffic for coming and going. So I'm like, oh my goodness. And then so what did we do? Of course, we visited the Bean because my cousin's husband hasn't seen it yet. My cousin has already been here several times to see me, but this time her husband was there, so that we did go see the Bean once again. And then we went to the Starbucks roastery, and then that big Starbucks building in downtown. So we did go to some shops as well, like Marshalls. They have a really big Marshalls over there. And then I did bring them back to their hotel, and there was just, yeah, terrible traffic going. I thought it would already die down like 8 p.m., 8 or 9 p.m., but yeah, it was still so very traffic. So yeah, that was what we did that Thursday. And then on Friday, I came to pick them up again because this time they were going to stay at our place. So yeah, so I did pick them up at their hotel because their conference was done. And then what else happened? Again, super traffic because it's a Friday and the afternoon, so terrible traffic. And then we did have some food at home. My mother-in-law cooked, and I also prepared this chicken potato salad that my cousin really wanted me to make. So that's what I did. I usually just make chicken potato salads on like Christmas time or New Year's. So this one was special for her. And then after that, we did go to the outlet mall because they wanted to see some things in there. And oh my God, they were so nice. They shopped for us for like, we didn't go with them, but when we got home, they gave us this paper bag full of goodies. So nice of them. And then yeah, they did sleep over, and yeah, I just chatted with my cousin who I haven't seen like in a year, I think the last, but we're always talking on like chats. All right, so on Saturday they did have to go home, so I did bring them to the airport, and fortunately it wasn't traffic at all because there's like lots of roads being what do you call this, like construction, so that's why I thought we should go early so that just in case. But fortunately, there was no traffic at all. And then after that, I did go to Seafood City again because the Seafood City is near the airport in Chicago. So yep, I went for some groceries, some other food that I missed the previous 2 days, the previous day that we were there. And then, yeah, when I got home, because I woke up so early and bringing them to the airport and all this stuff, I had a nap. So it's a very nice nap. And that bed is from My Newest Addictions Icons. All right. So on Sunday, I was able to sleep in. Yeah. So nice. And I'm using this like Archer and Olive cutter, but wasn't able to cut it really. Yeah, I don't know how to use it yet or like how deep you have to press. So I did sleep in, and yeah, that sleep in pillow is from My Newest Addiction as well. I just love those pillows. And then after that, I was able to read or listen to Broken Country. Ooh, okay. Broken Country it's actually pretty good as well. It's like a mystery of sorts. And also general, what do you call those, general fiction, or it's also about the lives of the people and how they deal with everything. I already knew the end, well, supposedly the ending, like what happened really, but anyways, it was still a good read. And yeah, it's a very drama filled and character driven kind of book as well, which I really love. And then I was able to what was I filming? My May plan with me. Oh my goodness, that's really delayed. And then also upload it later on. So yeah, this is the spread. So I think I forgot to do a wiggle for this one, so it'll be going straight to the leftovers. Yeah. Yeah, such a pretty kit from Sadie Stickers. This is the June 2024 mystery kit in silver foil. Oh, so pretty, pretty, pretty. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.